Hello students, this is exercise 1.6 of our first chapter, rational numbers. Today's first question is, which of the two given rational numbers is greater? We can see that 3 upon 8 and 8 upon 9 both are the positive rational numbers and they are also proper rational numbers. So we will take first LCM to equate the denominators. So the LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. 8 9s is 72. (72) divided by 8 is 9 and 9 3s are 27. And 72 divided by 9 is 8 and 8 8 is 64. So clearly 27 upon 72 and here is 64 upon 72. So 64 is greater than 27 and 64 upon 72 represents 8 upon 9. So 8 upon 9 is greater. We will write here 8 upon 9 is greater. Okay. Now next, this is minus 1 upon 4 or minus 3 upon 5. Again you will take the LCM and do like this. Okay. I am solving one more part for you. Here in this case, we have minus 4 upon minus 9 or 6 upon 7. If we cancel these two negatives, then 4 upon 9 is a positive rational number and 6 upon 7 is also a positive rational number. Now we will take the LCM of 7 and 9. 7 9 is 63. 63 divided by 9 is 7 and 7 4 is 28. Again we will write 63 separately and 63 divided by 7 is 9. 9 6 is 54. So for this 4 upon 9 we have a rational number 28 upon 63 and for 6 upon 7 we have a rational number 54 upon 63. So clearly 54 is greater than 28 and 54 represents 6 upon 7. 54 upon 63 represents 6 upon 7. So 6 upon 7 will be the greater rational number. We will write here 6 upon 7 is greater. Okay. In this way you have to solve the question. Okay. Don't do it directly, please. Number 5. Arrange in ascending order. So students, our question is 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 5, 7 upon 8 and 5 upon 6. One is the negative rational number and other are the positive rational numbers. But we cannot directly guess and put the rational numbers. So we'll take the LCM of the denominator 4, 5, 8 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 5 cannot be cancelled, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are now 3, 5 cannot be cancelled, 1s are and again 1 1 1 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 5s is 120. So we will write 120 separately for these four rational numbers. 120, 120, 120, 120. Now 120 divided by 4 gives you 30, and 33 is 90. 120 divided by 5, 24, and 24 to the is 48. 120 divided by 8 gives you 15, and 15 7 ja 105. 120 divided by 6, 20, and 25 is 100. Okay, you can divide them also if you don't find it directly. Okay, now we can see that among 90, minus 48, 105 and 100, we have to set these rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means this: increasing. Okay, first of all smallest, then bigger, then biggest. Okay, in this order we have to set them. So the smallest number is always -1. Minus 48 upon 120 represents minus 2 upon 5. So our answer is minus 2 upon 5, comma. After this we have second number is 90. 90 upon 120 represents 3 upon 4. We will put here 3 upon 4. After that 90 we have 100. 100 upon 120 represents 5 upon 6. We will write here 5 upon 6. And last one is 105. So 7 upon 8. Okay, so this is the answer for this part. Students, now next question. This minus 3 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5, 0, minus 1 upon 7. Okay, you will do this part yourself, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Okay, this is simpler than that question. The three rational numbers are negative and one is a 0. You will put a 1 below 0 and you will take the LCM of 5 and 7. That will be more easier than I have solved. Now next that I am taking question is first part, arrange in descending order. Okay, arrange in descending order means you have to put the largest number first and after that smaller and then smallest, in this order, following order you have to write the answers. So first we will take the LCM of 12, 4, 3 and 9. 12, 4, 3 and 9. 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 3 cannot be cancelled, 9 cannot be cancelled by 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 1s are 3 cannot be cancelled, 9 cannot be cancelled. Now 3 times, 3 1s are, 3 1s are, and 3 3s are 9, and lastly 3 1s are. Now the LCM of 12, 4, 3 and 9 will be written separately here. 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36. So we will write 36 in denominator of each one. Now 36 divided by 12 is 3. 3 5s are 15. 36 divided by 4 gives you 9, and 9 1s is 9. 36 divided by 3 is 12, and 12 2s are 24. 36 divided by 9 is 4, and 4 8s are 32. So among 15, minus 9, 24 and 32, we have the largest number is 32. 32 upon 36 represents 8 upon 9. Okay, so 8 upon 9 will be first, and below 32 we have 24. 24 upon 36 is represented by 2 upon 3. So we will write here 2 upon 3 after that, and below 24 we have 15. 15 upon 36 represents 5 upon 12. So we will write here 5 upon 12. And lastly, we have a negative number. Negative number is always smaller. So minus 9 upon 36 represents minus 1 upon 4. We will write here minus 1 upon 4. So this is the required answer for this part. Okay. Now next part, minus 1 upon 3, comma 5 upon 6, comma 7 upon 8, comma 5 upon 12. Okay. You have to do this question yourself as your homework, and if you find it difficult, you can ask me. Actually, there is nothing in this. You have just to find the LCM, and rest is easy. Okay. And if your LCM is wrong, then there might be a problem. Okay. Now next and last question of this exercise is number 7. Write 3 rational numbers between minus 1 and 1. Second part is minus 4 and minus 3. So among these two questions I will solve this part using the mean method. Okay. Students, mean method means adding the two given rational numbers and dividing the sum by 2. So we will write here first rational number. First rational number. I will add the given two rational numbers and divide them by 2. On adding minus 4 and minus 3, we get minus 7 upon 2. So minus 7 upon 2 is the first rational number between minus 4 and minus 3. Second rational number. For finding the second rational number, we will add minus 4 and minus 7 upon 2 and divide them by 2. Okay. Actually, what is happening, students? Suppose I will give you an illustration that if we have two rational numbers given in the question, and if we have to find the 3 rational numbers between them, I have added A and B and I got C as a result. So C will be between them. Now I will add A and C, and if I get the answer D, I will write D between them. Then we have to add C and B and divide the sum by 2. We get E. Okay. It means that this is a sequence, that if you add any two given rational number and divide them by that sum by 2, you get a new number between them. Okay. That is what we are doing here. Okay. Between minus 4 and minus 3 we got this, and between minus 4 and minus 7 upon 2 we are going to find a new rational number. So let us do it. 1. LCM is 2. 2 4 is 8. Plus into minus gives you minus 7. Divide by sign changes into multiplication, and for that we have to do reciprocal of 2. This is minus 15 upon 2. Multiply by 1 upon 2. This is minus 15 upon 4. So minus 15 upon 4 is the second rational number. Now I am going to find new rational number between minus 7 upon 2 and minus 3. Third rational number. Minus 7 upon 2 plus minus 3 divided by 2. Now we'll take the LCM of 2 and 1. This is 2. 2 1 7 is 7, and plus into minus gives you minus, and 2 3 is 6. This divide by sign change into multiplication, and we got minus 1 upon 2, sorry. This is 7 and 6 gives you 13. Minus 13 upon 2. Multiply by 1 upon 2. You got minus 13 upon 2 to the 4. So between minus 4 and minus 3 you got 3 numbers. This, this and this. Okay. This is one method. The new method that I had to tell you. First number is this, second number is this, and third number is this. Between these two rational numbers. If you don't find it easy, you can use this method which I had told you earlier, equating denominator method. For that, we have to find the LCM of 5 and 3. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Put here 15 below these. 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 3 is 9. Minus 9 is 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 5 to the is 10. But students, there is nothing between minus 9 and minus 10. So we have to find the 3 rational numbers. So we have to multiply it by 4. Okay. So 9 for the is 36. 15 for the 60. 10 for the 40. 15 for the 60. Now between 36 and 40 we have 3 rational numbers, 37, 38 and 39. Exactly, we have 3 rational numbers here. Now this 36 upon 60 cannot be cancelled, but this can be cancelled. 2 19 is 38, 2 30 is 60. This also can be cancelled. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 2 is 6 and 3 0 0. So our answer is minus 37 upon 60, minus 19 upon 30 and 13 upon 20. Okay students, it's your choice, whatever method you want to do for it, this one or this one. Okay, and in this way the chapter is now finished. Okay, and if you have any problem, we can take one more class for this chapter. Thank you. Put a negative sign here. Okay, this one. Thank you.